Below that, we are at the schedule portion of the event. This is where we set up when your event will take place. Under the start date field, you will find there are several ways you can enter a date. As you type the date, the summary below the field will update accordingly, showing you what Localist will display for the event date or dates on the finished product. For example, if I want to add November 3rd, I can enter it this way, or even numerically. As you see, the summary shows Friday, November 3rd, 2023, all day. Next is the Start Time field. Unless the event is an all-day event, you will need to add in a start time. I am starting my event at 8 a.m. and the summary is now updated with the start time of 8 a.m. Below start time is the end time. Enter the end time of your event. I am going to end my event at 4 p.m. Once again, the summary updates to show that it takes place between 8 a.m. and 4 p.m. Remember, if the event is an all-day event, leave the start time and end time fields empty. Below end time, you can see the option for repeating. By default, events are set to never repeat, but you have the choice of making your event a daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, or any of the multiple other options you can see here in the drop-down menu. The event will automatically repeat after making your selection. As you can see, when you select a repeating option, you are given the chance to have it repeat until a certain date has passed, or until a certain number of events have taken place. I am going to choose for my event to repeat until a certain number of times have passed, and I will make that 10 times. After making your schedule choices, you can see the summary displaying the final date and times that you have selected. In this case, Friday, November 3rd, 2023, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., repeating every Friday for 10 weeks. I'm going to add the above to the schedule. If you have selected a repeating option and have added it to your schedule, you will see all those dates in the summary, and you will have the option to either edit or delete each date listed by clicking on the pencil or trash can option next to each date.